Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And okay, so I'm just playing around with some Artist Loft paints. And I thought I'd just give something a little whirl here. Just a little thought. Just playing around. Not doing really anything. And if it turns out to be something, then you'll see this. And if it doesn't, well, then you won't. But I have my Artist Loft orange there, and I'm just going to put a drop of gold in there. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. And then I'm going to put some orange back in there again. And I'm going to put my white. And this white is Amsterdam white. And now I have some of this lovely turquoise blue from Artist Loft that I adore and I use quite often. So I'm trying to get a little ring in the middle here of that. Just gonna put a ring of white around here. All right. And I'm gonna put a little drop of white in the middle. And I'm going to use my skewer. And I'm going to play around with this a bit. Not exactly really making a flower, but playing with the idea of what you could do. So we're getting a pretty little design in the middle. Which is what I was going for. And I am on my pottery wheel. So bringing some of that blue from the middle out to the edges. Yeah, have a nice little design there. And I'm going to spin this out and see what happens. That's 115. We need to really bring that up to spread it out a bit. Okay. So that's that made for something a little interesting, I think. Got some orange in the middle, at the edges, rather. Okay, I'm going to well, I do want to spin. Let's see if we can just put some paint in here. From the pottery wheel. Okay. Okay, that's just what I was looking for. A little red around the edge. A little design in the middle. I don't know, what do you think about that? I kind of like that. Yeah, just something different. Something I just made on my own. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like what you see here. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off, and I will give you a close-up on that. Bye-bye.